Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini quiche. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients, including 2 medium zucchinis, 4 large eggs, and about 1 cup of shredded cheese. Next, prepare your pie crust. A 9-inch crust works perfectly. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready for baking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. The key to a great zucchini quiche is proper zucchini preparation. Grate about 2 medium zucchinis, then it's crucial to squeeze out as much excess moisture as possible. This prevents a watery quiche. Next, sauté the grated zucchini with 1 small, diced onion in a pan for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender and slightly browned. This step adds depth of flavor. Now for the assembly. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 cup of whole milk, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then, gently fold in your sautéed zucchini and onion mixture, along with 1 cup of shredded Gruyere or cheddar cheese. Pour this delicious filling into your 9-inch pie crust, spreading it evenly. Place your quiche in the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the crust is golden brown. Once baked, let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the quiche to firm up beautifully. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade zucchini quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.